everyone, welcome back to CrackU. In this video, we'll be going to see what is an APAR ID and how to get it done. Okay, so let's see what is an APAR ID first. In simple words, APAR ID is your Aadhaar card of your education. Okay, APAR stands for Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. So it is like a unique 12-digit number that stays with you from your kindergarten to your PhD level. Okay, so let's dive into it and see exactly what it is. So this ID is linked with Academic Bank of Credits, ABC, and your DigiLocker. Okay, instead of keeping all physical files such as like your mark sheet, degrees, diplomas, everything is sorted digitally against this one ID number. Okay, this is useful because when you change your colleges or apply to different colleges, it will stay with you and you don't need to carry a bundle of certificates. So like the institution can just scan your APAR ID and instantly verify your entire academic history. It basically means one nation, one student ID system to make your education journey very smooth and paperless. Right. So now we know what is an APAR ID. Now we'll see how to get it done. So let's move it in the next step. First, what you have to do is go to DigiLocker, create an account there. If you don't have, create an account. It is very simple. Get an app and log in with your credentials. You have to put in your Aadhaar card details and all of that. Okay. So once you're done, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you have to go into the search documents. When you log into DigiLocker, you have to go into search documents. After that, what you have to do is search for APAR here. When you search for APAR here, you will get this details. Academic Bank of Credits, Education and Learning. After this, you have to click on this one. Then after that, you will be shown this icon. And after this, you have to click on this and move into the next step. Now the main process, now the registration process starts here. Okay. So your name here will be as per your Aadhaar card. Your name shown here will be as per your Aadhaar card, date of birth and gender. Okay, as per your Aadhaar card, the details you have put in your Aadhaar card, the same thing will be here. Now, the next step is identity value and identity type. Now, what is an identity value? Identity value is all your roll number, registration number, enrollment number, new admission or none. So when you take an admission into a college, you'll be given an enrollment number or a roll number, you'll have it. So that is your identity type. Okay. So once if you want to add in your roll number from your college, you can add it here. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, something like this, which is only your unique number, right? Or if not, if you have just taken a new admission, you can put in that. And if you have not done anything like the graduation thingy, you can put none here. And if you put none, there will be no any problem. You can get your APAR ID details, right? So once you're done with this, you have to put in your admission year, which is 2026, 2025, 2024, whenever you got an admission to your college. When you click on this, you'll be shown this one, and when you click on this, you'll be shown this one. And after that, you have to put in your university or college details. I am a student at a recognized institution or a college, right? So after you do that, you have to click on get document. When you do that, you will be getting your APAR ID instantly. This is very simple, guys. You'll get your APAR ID instantly. Your name, date of birth, gender, and APAR ID details will be shown here, and your picture will be shown here. That is very simple. Just go to DigiLocker, log in with your credentials, search for APAR ID, fill in the details, and you'll get your APAR ID instantly. That was it for today. Thank you for staying. Follow CrackU, subscribe to our channel, and hope this video helps, and share it to your people who are still confused about how to get an APAR ID. What is an APAR ID? Right? Thank you so much.